In today's free tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to make an audio spectrum for free. Step number 1, open up a new tab in your browser or search engine device, and then type in Adobe After Effects download. And now once open up and loaded, go to their main website. And as you can see here, click either the free trial or you can buy now on the website. And then now basically once this has been downloaded and completed, slap the program open. The next step is to drag on or to locate the music or audio file piece that you'd like to transform into an audio spectrum. After you've done this, click on New Composition and name this whatever you would like and click OK. The next step is to click on your audio piece or audio and drag this down on the timeline like so it's loaded. And now the next step is to click on your audio, make sure it's highlighted, and go to the top screen and click on Layer, click New, click Solid, and then in this case it's a dark gray solid, and click OK. Next step is to click on your dark solid, make sure it's still selected or highlighted, and then go under to Effect, scroll down until you see the option Generate. And once it's loaded, you want to scroll down and click this option right here, the third option, Audio Spectrum. And once loaded, go under the audio layer like so. Click this drop down arrow and make sure that this is the second track or your audio piece. And in this case, as you can see, we have some audio currently displaying on the screen like so. And now we're going to mess around and adjust the settings. You can follow along here or mess with them afterwards, your choice. In this case, frequency, we have frequency bands. We're going to change this to 800. Bands, we're going to change this to 80. Maximum height, 800. Thickness, around 5 or 6, I found is the best option. Softness, around 20 to 30%. Inside out color, you can change this however you would like. And in this case, I'm changing the color to match, or the color green to match the audio piece. Now this is where it gets pretty cool under the display options. This is currently what we have. Not too bad at all, right? Display options, while this is the analog lines, this is what it looks like. This is what the analog dots look like, as you can currently see. Not too bad at all. I'm going to change this back to digital because I like the way that this looks. And I'm also going to change this options just to one side so that the audio is only playing on one side. And as you can see, this is the before. And this is the after.